Hey everyone, discover native aluminum-free clean deodorant with natural ingredients that provide 72 hours of odor control. This deodorant is free from aluminum, parabens, phthalates, and talc, making it a healthier choice for your skin. It's crafted with baking soda, coconut oil, and shea butter to keep you feeling fresh and moisturized all day. Native deodorant goes on smooth and light, offering effective protection while using safe, sustainable fragrances. It's cruelty-free and designed to work well for both men and women with its high-performance formula. Choose your favorite coconut and vanilla scent and enjoy confidence without harsh chemicals. Experience a natural, gentle deodorant that truly keeps you fresh and odor-free. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.